Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with finding the phone manager. It is a pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one, just find it and then open it. Give all the permissions it needs, and here we've got the option viruses and risks, so let's simply tap on it. Now let's tap on scan. And now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of malware or any kind of viruses. And after that, it will show you the information. As you can see, in my case, everything is all right. But if it will find any kind of problems, it will list them. And then it will also show you steps which you have to take in order to remove the possible risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.